Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we're diving into the exciting world of YouTube, where making money is not just a dream, but a reality. Whether you are an aspiring creator or you already have a channel, we got some insider tips on how to cash in YouTube in 2023. So let's get started. The first step to success on YouTube is finding your niche, that unique passion or expertise that sets you apart from the rest. Are you a cooking wizard, a gaming guru, or a passionista? Identify your niche and let your creativity flow. Now that you have got your niche, it is time to create captivating content. Remember, quality over quantity is the key. Engage with your audience with authentic and well-produced videos that entertain, educate, or inspire them. The more they love your content, the more they will like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification. Consistency is vital on YouTube. Set a schedule that works for you and your audience. Whether it is once a week or twice a month, stick to it. Your subscriber will appreciate knowing when to expect new videos from you. Don't go it alone. Collaborate and connect with other creators. Partnering up can introduce you to new audience and expand your reach. Reach out, make friends, and grow together. Interact with your viewers like they are your friends. Because they are. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show appreciation. Building a loyal community will encourage them to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Beyond ad revenue, explore other income streams, from brand partnerships and sponsorships to merchandise and Patreon. Diversifying your revenue sources can lead to stable income and greater financial freedom. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, staying updated is crucial. Keep an eye on the latest trends and topics to remain relevant and engaging with your audience. Above all, stay passionate to what you do. YouTube success never happens overnight, but with dedication and love for your content, you will be well on your way to cashing in on YouTube in 2023. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to cashing in on YouTube 2023. Remember, success comes from creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and never giving up your dreams. So, hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe for more awesome content, and don't forget to ring that bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy creating and keep on striving on YouTube. See you soon.